meet and talk and learn, and it's fun, and then we go to competition and it's crazy fun. There's a bunch of people and they're all whoa, and then robots, and they do the thing that they do. Like last year, put inner tubes on a big rack, and like it was really cool because like the robots would grab them and then put the inner tubes on these hooks, and it was intense, man, because you got the autonomous section, and you got the human control thing, and it's only 2 minutes long, and everything's so fast when it's going to competition. Then they do the part in between the competition, or in between the matches. That's kind of boring. And then there's another match, and it's like crazy fun. And then and it's a great experience being part of the first team. You get to learn a lot of technical information. You get a real appreciation for science and technology and all that great stuff, like learning about gear ratios or website development or marketing and all the great things that we do on first team. It's so great, you guys.
First Robotics is a program that inspires students to become more interested in science and technology. One of the missions of FIRST is to make science and technology as exciting to students as sports is. And a FIRST competition is just like that. It's as exciting as a sporting competition. And the competition is fun, but that's not what FIRST is all about. FIRST is about transforming the world. And they're going to try to transform the world. FIRST is going to try to transform the world by transforming students and getting students excited and be able to learn about the science and technology that they are going to need in their future. And if students can become and learn to become gracious professionals, it's a win-win situation for not only the students, not only for the United States, but for the entire world. And that's what FIRST is. FIRST is about helping students.
I went to the Creston Robotics National Championship in Atlanta last year, and I must tell you, it was a very exhilarating experience. I learned a lot about competition and robotics, and it is an experience I will never forget.
So right now we're pre-season, and we're having meetings every week to try to perfect our skills in engineering and programming and all the other areas of the team. These different areas of the team are taught, so to speak, by real engineers from our community. Engineers come from the community to mentor each different cell in the team so that these kids can really understand how engineers work in the real world.
Now, 15 seconds, here comes QCLE. Frantically trying to get over with that black spoiler. 9 seconds to go now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's all over, folks. That is the match. That is the way the finals work. That is what FIRST is all about.